LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com. Select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Turn the laptop over. Remove the screws. Remove the cover. Remove the memory. Place the memory sticks back in place. Snap the plastic cover back in place. That's all. You just installed new laptop memory. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.